Hey guys, welcome to another episode of LJs Garage. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And so what we got going on today is I've got one of these code readers and we're gonna plug it into the 325 and we're gonna see exactly what's going on with this car. Everyone knows that BMWs like to light up like Christmas trees from time to time, and so what we're gonna do is just figure out exactly what each and every single light that we've got is, and then we're gonna figure out how to get rid of them. So let's get right into it. We're gonna talk about the iCarSoft i910-2 multi-scanner. Alright, so what you get with this is you get this nice cool little carrying case. You got your reader right here. And then if your car is older than like a 2000, then you need this little accessory cable that comes with it. Or it's optional depending on which brand you buy. But this one connects in the engine bay. Most of these readers are pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty much plug and play. I like this one because a lot of this user manual was translated to English, it seems. And I can't say these are the best translations ever. So the first couple steps are pretty simple, but then it says, plug into the scan tool cable connector to the vehicle's DLC. The scan tool will be light, as shown. So let's go ahead and do that. And I've got my sexy headgear, so you guys can see all the cool action that goes on with this OBD scanner. If you happen to have a Mini Cooper, this works for Minis as well. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get up under here and we plug this right into here, right up in there, and this, you can see, has a little cover, so it's not the best angle, but hopefully that'll do the trick for you guys. Alright, so we got a couple codes right now. We've got 12 signal camshaft sensor, exhaust, then we've got A8 thermostat, matte cooling, mechanical, jammed open. That's interesting. We've got F3 misfire on cylinder 6, F1 misfire on cylinder 4. So, let's go back. Transmission control, let's see if we got anything going on there. Look at that, no trouble codes on the transmission. Yes, all right, giggity. So now let's go back and we're gonna check the electronics. Let it do its thing. Those are interesting. So we got some codes, they don't say what they are though. All right, so we got something for airbag. We'll hit the airbag and see what it does. It's got that, so go back, read trouble codes. All right. So that's something. Belt tensioner, front passenger, and then seat occupancy recognition 1. Alright guys, time to power down. So, what we've learned today is basically that this code reader is actually a great purchase, and there's a couple things that we got to add to the list of things to address with this car. We've got floor mats that are in, new radio, we got a couple different hoses and pumps and things like that that probably need some attention. Tires still need some attention. The grill still needs some attention. So let's just say we got a little ways to go with getting this thing tip-top again. But thank you guys for checking out another episode of LJ's Garage, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think and what problems you've run into with your E46s, and stay tuned for the next episode.